हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा प्लेनेट। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे जनरल टॉपिक, सभी टॉपिक के एमसीक्यू ऑन अ सब्जेक्ट बायोस्टैटिस्टिक एंड रिसर्च मेथडोलॉजी। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट प्लेगियरिज्म इज मोस्ट एक्यूरेट? Option A, it is so easy to copy and paste from the internet that everyone does it nowadays. If a proper reference is given, where is the harm in that? Option B, how can we say for sure where our own idea come from exactly? If we tried to give a reference for everything, we could never hope to succeed. Option C, any suggestion that we have written what another actually wrote is morally wrong. The whole point of a literature review is to show what we have read and what we thought about it. Option D, plagiarism is such an awful crime that those found guilty should be obliged to wear a scarlet P on their clothing. So over here in this question, the correct answer is option C. That means any suggestion that we have written what another actually wrote is morally wrong. The whole point of a literature review is to show that what we have read and what we thought about it. The next question. The main purpose of research in education is to help in the personal growth of an individual, help the candidate become an eminent educationalist, increase job prospect of an individual, increase social status of an individual. The correct answer for this question is option B, help the candidate become an eminent educationist. Next question, what is bibliography? A true story written about someone. Option B, another name for writing a book. Option C, a religious book. Option D, a list of sources used in a report and where they can be found. The correct answer for this question is D, a list of sources used in a report and where they can be found. The next, e-books are normal textbook in an electronic version, paperless book, soft copy of the book, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Frequency of a discrete variable can be represented by line diagram, bar diagram, none of them, both of them. Correct answer is D, both of them. Continuous variable are represented by histogram, line diagram, bar diagram, pie chart. Correct answer is option A, histogram. Percentage frequency distribution is represented by option A, frequency polygon, option B, ogive representation, option C, pie diagram, option D, frequency table. The correct answer for this question is option C, pie diagram. Mode is most frequent value, least frequent value, middle most value, none. The correct answer for this question is option A, most frequent value. The positional average is mean, median, mode, harmonic mean. The correct answer for this question is A, mean. Mean deviation can be computed from arithmetic mean, mode, median or variance. The correct answer for this question is D, variance. Which of the following is a measure of variation? Standard deviation, mid-range, mode, median. Correct answer is answer A, option A, standard deviation. The ratio between experimental and observed results is represented by theta value, chi-square, variance ratio or correlation. The correct answer for this question is option B, chi-square. Chi-square test was developed by W.S. Gosset, Carl Pearson, A.R. Fisher. Option D, Pascal. The correct answer for this question is option B, Carl Pearson. Two variables deviate in opposite direction is called positive correlation, ideal correlation, inverse correlation, moderate positive. The correct answer for this question is C. Inverse correlation. The fundamental statistical indicators are mean, median, variance or standard deviation. The correct answer for this question is option A, mean. Standard deviation is the square root of variance, is measured using the unit of the variable, is measured using the squared unit of the variable, has values generally comparable with the average value. The correct answer for this question is option A, is the square root of a variance. If the average of series of value is 10 and their variance is 4, then the coefficient of variation is equal to the ratio standard deviation divided by average is option A 40%, option B 20%, option C 80%, option D 10%. The correct answer for this question is option B 20%. The median of a series of numerical value is equal to the average, a graph or chart, a number, a frequency table. The correct answer for this question is C, a number. The median of a series of numerical value is a value for which half of the values are higher and half of the values are lower. Option B, the value located exactly midway between the minimum and maximum of the series. Option C, the most commonly encountered value among the series. And option D, a measure of the eccentricity of the series. The correct answer for this question is option A, a value for which half of the value are higher and half of the value are lower. A regression line is a straight line which option A is located as close as possible to all the points of a scatter chart. Option B is defined by an equation having two parameters, the slope and the intercept. Option C provides an approximate relationship between the value of two parameters, and option D is parallel to one of the coordinate axes. The correct answer for this question is option A, is located as close as possible to all points of scattered chart. Next, Pearson correlation coefficient denoted by R measures the scattering strength of data for a statistical series. Option B, the strength of the correlation between the mean and median. Option C, the strength of the correlation between two numerical parameters. And option D, the tendency of simultaneous increase or decrease or inverse evolution for two numerical parameters. The correct answer for this question is option C, the strength of the correlation between two numerical parameters. The student's t-test is a parametric test, a non-parametric test, a test for comparing averages, a test for comparing variance. Answer A, option A, that is the correct, a parametric test. Which of the following tests are parametric tests? ANOVA, Student, Wilcoxon, Kruskal-Wallis. The correct answer for this question is option B, Student. A subset of the population selected to help make inferences on a population is called option A, a population, option B, inferential statistic, option C, a census, option D, a sample. The correct answer for this question is option A, a population. A set of all possible data value for a subject under consideration is called option A, descriptive statistic, option B, a sample, option C, a population, option D, statistics. The correct answer for this question is option A, descriptive statistic. The number of occurrence of a data value is called option A, the class limits, option B, the frequency, the cumulative frequency, the relative frequency. The correct answer for this question is A, the class limits. A large collection of data may be condensed by constructing classes, a frequency polygon, class limits, a frequency distribution. The correct answer for this question is option D, a frequency distribution. A graphical representation of a frequency distribution is called a stem and leaf plot, scatter diagram, time series plot, or histogram. The correct answer for this D, histogram. The width of the class interval in a frequency distribution will be approximately equal to the range of the data divided by the option A highest value in the data set, lowest value in the data set, option C number of class interval, and option D average of the data set. The correct answer, that is C, number of class interval. The cumulative frequency for a particular class is equal to 35. The cumulative frequency for the next class will be less than 35, equal to 65, 35 plus or 35 minus. The correct answer, सही आंसर है यहाँ पे C, 35 plus. The highest bar in a histogram represent the class with the highest cumulative frequency, the class with the lowest frequency, the class with the highest frequency, the class with the lowest relative frequency. Correct answer C, the class with the highest frequency. Which of the following would be most helpful in the construction of a pie chart? Cumulative percentage, frequency distribution, ogive, relative frequencies. The correct answer, सही आंसर है यहाँ पे ऑप्शन डी, relative frequencies. Can a frequency distribution have overlapping classes? Option A, sometime, no, yes, all of the above. The correct answer is B, no. Which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? Option A, mode, option B, variability, option C, median, option D, mean. Correct answer, that is B, that is the variability. Which of the following is the crudest measure of dispersion? Mean absolute deviation, variance, mode or range? The correct answer for this question is option A, mean absolute deviation. Second moment about mean is SD, variance, coefficient of variance or none. The correct answer for this question is B, that means variance. The most frequently occurring value in a data set is called the spread, mode, skewness, maximum value. Correct answer is B, mode. Which of the following is true for a positively skewed distribution? Mode is equals to median is equals to mean. Mean is less than median less than mode. Mode is less than median less than mean. Median is less than mode less than mean. The correct answer for this question is option C, mode is less than median less than mean. If the number of value in a data set is even and the number are ordered, then option A, the median cannot be found. Option B, the median is the average of the two middle number. Option C, the median, mode and mean are equal. And option D, none. The correct answer for this question is option C, the median, mode and mean are equal. The coefficient of skewness is always 0 for blank distribution, symmetrical, skewed, median or none. The correct answer for this question is option A, symmetrical. If the correlation coefficient is 0, the slope of a linear regression line will be positive, negative or negative, none. Correct answer is D, none. Which section of a paired sample t-test output can be ignored? Regression, mean, median, paired sample correlation. The correct answer for this is D, paired samples correlation. The next question. A regression line is a straight line which is located as close as possible to all the points of scatter chart, is defined by an equation having two parameters, the slope and the intercept. Option C provides an approximate relationship between the value of two parameters, and option D is a parallel to one of the coordinate axes. The correct answer for this question is B, is defined by an equation having two parameters, the slope and the intercept. The next question. What is the alternative name for a repeated measure t-test? unrelated t-test, related t-test, a paired sample t-test, unpaired sample t-test. The correct answer for this question is C, a paired sample t-test. The next question, conducting multiple t-tests increases the likelihood of which of the following: finding correct conclusion, type 1 error, homogeneity, or type 2 error. The correct answer for this question is B, type 1 error. SPSS stand for Simple Perfect Squared Square, Statistical Product and Service Solution, Statistical Package for Social Science, Software Package for Statistical Science. The correct answer for this question is C, Software Package for Statistical Science. What is the possibility of having 53 Thursday in a non-leap year? Option A, 6 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 365, 53 by 365. The correct answer for this question is B, 1 by 7. The next question, the collection of one or more outcome from an experiment is called probability, event, random variable, or Z value. The correct answer for this question is B, event. Which of the following is not a condition of the binomial distribution? Only two possible outcomes, have constant probability of success, must have at least 3 trials, and option D, trial must be independent 100. The correct answer for this question is C, must have at least 3 trials. The next question, when two coins are tossed simultaneously, what are the chances of getting at least one tail? 3 by 4, 1 by 5, 4 by 5, or 1 by 4. The correct answer for this question is answer A, that is the 3 by 4. So over here in this video we discuss, हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया है 50 MCQ यहाँ पे हमने डिस्कस किए जो कि जनरल है बायोस्टैटिस्टिक एंड रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी के सभी चैप्टर में से ये क्वेश्चन थे यहाँ पे जो हमने डिस्कस किए. Please like this video and also subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.